Hello folks, my name is Nando, welcome back to the garage. It's been a long time since I've made a video, and today my BMW is due for an oil change, so we're going to just go ahead and change the oil. Right, let's have a look what we're going to need to change the oil on my BMW. I'm going to use my Bahco socket set. I've got 10 liters of oil here. I use Motul all the time, I'm really happy with it. For my car we're going to need 6.5 liters. Some brake cleaner to clean off any oil spillage, oil drain pan, a jack and a jack stand, some rubber gloves, and here's my my oil filter, which comes with all the relevant gaskets. First thing we need to do is to jack up the car. Okay, it's very simple. There's a little service hatch on the belly pan, which you can just open up, and actually I'll take it off, and you'll see the oil drain plug here, because the oil sump comes down here. You need a 17mm socket, and we can undo the oil drain. Okay, let's and I need to be very quick. There we go. Right, and now we can let this drain, and we'll come back when it's all drained out. Okay, now before we put the oil drain plug back in, it goes without saying that we need to change the copper washer. Now luckily this man filter comes with all the relevant O-rings and washers for my BMW, and there's a brand new copper washer, and I'm gonna replace this, and let's get under the car and put this back and torque it down to spec. It needs to be tightened down to 25 Newton meters torque, this oil drain plug. Okay, so all the oil is drained out. I'm going to put the plug back in. And that's it. There we go, that's all done. Right, now it's time to change the oil filter. I'm going to use this oil filter tool to loosen the cap. Okay. Now what we need to do is we want to clean this out before we put the new filter in, so I'm going to just go ahead and clean it. Right, now what we need to do is change the O-rings. It's this little green one we need to change, and the big O-ring that seals the oil filter cap. Okay, that's one O-ring, and there's the other one. There's a little green one. There we go. good. So put some oil on it. Let's put in the oil filter. Right, and that just clicks into place. And that's it. There's no need to go overboard on the oil filter cap, just tighten it down by hand, and that's plenty enough. Right, I'll get rid of these, fill it up with 6.5 litres of oil. Now this particular car doesn't have a oil dipstick, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 6.5 litres, then start the engine, let it run for a couple of minutes, and then we can check the oil level on the dash computer. Okay, now I had the car running for a couple of minutes, and we're going to check the oil level. Using this button here, you can scroll through the menu and you can check your oil level on any E90. So let's see. Oil hit OK, and as you can see, we're 3/4 of the way to maximum, which I'm really happy with. So I'll just leave it at that. Let me show you a few websites where you can gain some information regarding the oil grade and oil capacity for your car. As you've seen in my videos, I use Moto for pretty much everything. My cars, motorbikes, even my lawnmower. That's my personal preference. Anyway, if you go into Google and put in Moto oil selector and go over to their website, if you're based in the UK, you can search it by putting in your registration number. If you're outside the UK, you can still do an advanced search. Select categories, cars, make. I've got a BMW, European market, 3 Series E91, and I've got a 325i N52 B25 engine. And I've got two options: if your car is under 100,000 miles or if it's over 100,000 miles. My car is over 100,000, and this is what Moto recommends. It also gives you some other alternatives, but this is the type of oil I used. As you've seen, it also gives you the capacity 6.5 litre and the oil change intervals, which is 25,000 kilometers or 24 months. Now, I disagree with these numbers. What I do is I change the oil every I tend to run 10,000, 15,000 kilometers or once a year, whichever comes first. Now, since my last oil change, I've done 7,000 miles, which is about 12,000 kilometers. So that's still half that. Again, this is my personal preference. It gives me peace of mind, so I do recommend you change the oil at least every 15,000 kilometers or 8,000 miles. Right, so I hope you liked that, and feel free to use it whenever you want to have a look at what oil your car needs, or motorbike for that matter. Another thing I want to say is I'm going to send a sample of my used engine oil to a lab to have it analyzed, just to see just to see in what state my engine is. And once I get the results back, I'll make a little video of it. And yeah, that will be pretty much everything for today. Thanks very much for sticking around, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.